National Primate Research Center of Thailand, Chulalongkorn University or NPRCTCU, has been established since 2012. It was first started as the Primate Research Center under Faculty of Science, Chulalongkorn University, envisioned by the former Dean, Professor Supot Han Nong Bua. Later, it was approved to be the National Primate Research Center of Thailand by the National Research Council of Thailand or NRCT, under the support of the former Secretary General of NRCT, Professor Suthiporn Chitmitraphap, and the former President of Chulalongkorn University, Professor Pirom Kamonratanakul, encouraged by the MOU signed between these two institutes. In 2015, the center has been approved by Chulalongkorn University as University Center. This remarkable success of the center owed to the selfless commitment and diligence of the founding director, Professor Suchinda Malai Vichitnon. Her tireless dedication and service as she undertakes a vitally important role to lead and guide, advancing the center to become primate center with world-class standard. Today, the center has significantly grown, and the full name of the center is the National Primate Research Center of Thailand, Chulalongkorn University. The vision of the center is to be a leading primate research center in Asia with world-class standards for animal care and research. In short, our tagline is finding cures, saving life.
Our primate center, we have three goals. The first one is about animal because this is the primate center. So we have the goal that we want to breed specified pathogen-free and good quality of monkeys for biomedical research. And the second one is about research. As you can see from the name of our center is National Primate Research Center of Thailand. So we aim to support research for national and international level. So that's why we acquire for GLP accreditation and certification. And the last one for our goal is for being the information center, because we are very lucky that our center locates in Thailand. So we have 17 species of non-human primates. So we want to be the hub of information center for all non-human primates in Asia.
At present, the center comprises 6 buildings including 1 administrative building, 4 social housing breeding buildings for monkey, and 1 research building at Animal Biosafety Level 1 and 2. As we are tackling the pandemic, our center has dedicated commitment to develop new vaccines together with several Thai entities and collaboration. We are now installing the mobile laboratory at Animal Biosafety Level 3 for efficacious tests of COVID-19 vaccines. This ABSL3 module will heighten our center's potential promptly for ending this pandemic together with researchers around the world. Our logo has echoed who we are. As you can see, it consists of 3 species of non-human primates. Starting from the left-hand side, rhesus macaques, Cynomolgus macaques, and common marmoset. These are 3 species that we plan to acquire to the center. Our very first accomplishment is that we have successfully housed more than 600 Cynomolgus macaques in the center. The other 2 prospect non-human primate species are envisioned in the near future.
So the future of our primate center, we aim quite high At the beginning, we planned to be the lead primate research center in Asia, but now we changed our mind that we want to be the lead primate research center that stay at the front row with other primate centers at the global level. So because not so many primate centers in Asia, especially in Southeast Asia, there are only 2 primate centers. One is in Indonesia and another one is our primate center. And in Asia, there are no primate center that certified by OECD GLP. So that's why we aim very high to be lead primate research center at the global level.
As we are always committed to the excellence and world-class standard, the center has been awarded the ALAC International for Animal Care and Use on February 26, 2020. Moreover, the center has been certified for compliance to OECD GLP in May 11, 2021. Since the official grand opening of our center in November 4, 2018, our center serves research and tasting for both local and international entities. For the local institutes, the tests were mostly on safety and efficacy tests of several vaccines for tropical and emerging diseases such as Zika, dengue, and of course, COVID-19. Throughout the pandemic, our center has a crucial role to play in non-clinical tests for 3 types of COVID-19 vaccine: mRNA, DNA, and protein subunit. For the international entities, we predominantly service on pharmacokinetics of non-communicable diseases such as diabetes mellitus, osteoporosis, and growth. At present, our center has expanded our services covering many scopes of study such as pharmacokinetics, safety pharmacology test, efficacy tests for biopharmaceutical products, drugs, and vaccines for human use at biosafety level 1, 2, and 3, chronic toxicity test, toxicokinetics, lab testing detection of several diseases such as B virus, SRV, SIV, STLV, SARS-CoV-2, and Mycobacterium tuberculosis, hematology test, blood biochemistry test, and biospecimen services such as plasma, blood, and tissue. Our center also has a strength on specific research which can be divided into 2 themes. The first one is a focus on genetic diversity of xenomorphs and research macaques in Thailand and Southeast Asia countries, and the remarkable macaque stone two-use behavior of Burmese long-tailed macaques. The second one is the research on infectious diseases occurred in this region, which can be transmitted from humans to monkeys or vice versa, such as tuberculosis, malaria, B virus, SARS-CoV-2, and microbiome. These later focus aim to expand the knowledge for drug and vaccine development to prevent or mitigate the symptoms. Our center has also contributed to mitigate the problems of human-macaque interaction in Thailand. To expand our horizon, over the years, the center has gained invaluable alliances with many primate centers and research institutes across continents from Asia through America. We have continued to appreciate the support, breadth of experiences and knowledge through MOU or MOA among institutes around the world such as from Japan, Primate Research Institute of Kyoto University, Tsukuba Primate Research Center, and RIKEN. From the United States of America, Southwest National Primate Research Center, California National Primate Research Center, University of California, San Diego. Primate Research Center, Bogor Agricultural University, Indonesia. Beijing Institute of Genomics, Chinese Academy of Sciences, China. Kemen Inc., Korea. University of Innsbruck, Austria. Nanyang Technological University and National University of Singapore, Singapore. Advanced Medical and Dental Institute, University Science Malaysia, Malaysia. And from Thailand, Bionet Asia, National Science and Technology Development Agency, and Institute of Molecular Biosciences, Mahidol University. To drive to the ingenuity future that we aim for, the Center has an international scientific advisory board consisting of past director, the current director, the associate director, and the renowned scientists from USA, Japan, and Korea to nurture our ingenuity. While COVID-19 crisis gives a difficult times for us all, our center has been inspiring with recognition from lead researchers throughout the world because of our contribution of non-clinical testing on COVID-19 vaccine for the country. From the experience on COVID-19 vaccine, which give us the lesson that we should have a good preparedness to tackle the unforeseeable emerging diseases which might happen again in the future. Our vision toward 2026 is to expand our horizon. We shall be ready to be world-class primate research center. We are expanding our facility dedicating for the second species of non-human primate, a marmoset, and new services. The marmoset facility is being constructed and will be completed at the end of 2022. It will be the largest marmoset facility in Asia for drugs and pharmaceutical testing. Besides, 2 more breeding buildings for Cynomolgus macaques will be built toward 2024 to increase our service capacity. Our mission to deliver the world's services reflects in the plan to build a world-class ABSL-23 research facility toward 2026, ready for the new emerging diseases, and to lay the foundations for groundbreaking innovation of future. In testing time, we often observe that the base of the human spirit comes to the forefront. Our center plays an active part in driving Thailand health education and economy through several outreaches, conferences, workshops, and trainings. Most importantly, for sustainable future, we are educating young people for our planet we hold dear. Looking forward, our National Primate Research Center of Thailand, Chulalongkorn University, will be an important infrastructure and foundation to support and help the public health of Thailand and the world. We are proud to make this world we call home becoming healthier and happier places for us all.